Good morning, guys. Today is 19th of May and the time is 9:21. And we had a bit of a fiasco while entering the orders. अभी क्या हो गया? When I was trying to exit this 14,950 put and shift my puts to 15,000, so I got rejected by 3 times. तो वही point पे almost this call spiked up by more than 4 points. So इसलिए we had to take a 4 point drawdown as of now, and we are sitting on a 150 point strangle, which is worth close to 83-84 rupees. So now, as long as this CPR 15100 is not clearly breached, so we are not going to do any adjustments to this, and the 15,000 put option is not at all decaying. So that is because a lot of people are still buying 15,000 put option, considering that tomorrow is the expiry, and 15,000 is a likely expiry, and people are thinking that yes, 15,000 might materialize to be the expiry point for tomorrow. So having said that, we are down by currently 6 to 7 points. The moment we are down by, let's say, 10 points or something, I'm going to call it a day, because we definitely started off on the wrong foot. यहाँ पे जो 2 या 3 बार जो rejection आ गया है, उसी point पे देखिए, like उसी point पे I was supposed to short the put option somewhere around at 46 or something, and वही time पे like I got like 3 rupees slippage because of these two orders. यहाँ पे एक 30 seconds का जो just delay आया, आई थिंक उसी में ही शायद मैक्सिमम ऑलमोस्ट उसी टाइम पे मार्केट ने ऐसे मूवमेंट दे दिया. कॉल इट अनफॉर्चुनेट और कॉल इट माई मिस्टेक, व्हाटएवर, बट वी आर डाउन बाय क्लोज टू 6 points, 6 to 7 points डाउन है. तो this 150 point triangle should be worth somewhere around 60 rupees by the end of the day. So even if you make like 10 to 15 points by the end of the day, so that would be a decent outcome, and we have got like good amount of resistances at all these points. So let's say if the CPR is taken out and if this 20 moving average line is taken out, then we might look at shifting the puts a bit higher. So these puts might accelerate really fast, considering that these puts are just 80 points away from the strike, and the calls are also kind of 70 points away from the strike, and they are also trading at 40 points. So as of now the triangle itself is quite well balanced. And अगर VIX की बात करते हैं तो the VIX has slightly shot up. Alright, had a completely damaging up move. So looks like everything is shooting up, and the call side IVs are just blown through the roof. So this 15,150 call, which I had purchased, which I had sold at 35 points, it's now trading at 63. It has shot up by 100% now. So I don't think there is any incentive to keep managing these positions, because the put options have stopped giving any decay. Look at this, these put options, it was at 50 and 48. Like I exited at 99 points, and now it's at 100 and oh my god, it's at 107 points. So it would have been down by another 7-8 points, which would be another 22-23k. So we would have been down by around 40-45k now. But I exited right in time. The puts are not decaying as much as the calls are inflating. So it gets like really tricky to actually adjust these kinds of things. And the 15,100 call itself is trading at around 150 points now, more than 150 points. So it's actually a decent bet to sit on a 15,100 straddle. But just because the call side IVs are blowing through the roof, suppose let's say if this high gets taken out, अगर ये हाई टेकन आउट होके ब्रेकआउट हो जाता है, then there will be so much mismatch in the premiums that it's impossible to actually manage it. काफी ज्यादा वेट करने के बाद मैं फिर से मैं पोजीशन एंटर किया है. तो ऑफ कोर्स लाइक काफी रॉन्ग पॉइंट पे मैंने एग्जिट किया, मैं बोल सकता है. So that is because I wanted to aggressively risk manage today, because premiums काफी कम थे and I didn't find a point to fight the markets. So फिलहाल 15,000 and 15,200 strangle पे बैठे हैं, and as soon as I entered, तो the strangle itself gained by around 1 point. तो 1 point strangle gain कर दिया है. So nothing to worry about. So as far as this low is not breached, we are not going to do any adjustments. And at the same time, as far as 15,120 levels, ये जो level है, if that is not breached, we are not going to do any adjustments. So let's see, क्योंकि बैंक निफ्टी plays a pivotal role in Nifty का this thing. So as of now we are down by around 21-22k, एंड बैंक निफ्टी अकाउंट में मैं कुछ ले नहीं रहा हूं बिकॉज द प्रीमियम्स आर सुपर लो. अभी 100 पॉइंट ऊपर नीचे भी जाता है तो देन वी हैव टू टेक अनदर लॉस. तो फिलहाल के लिए मैं कुछ सोच नहीं रहा हूं बैंक निफ्टी में लेने के लिए पोजीशंस. तो एज ऑफ नाउ वी आर डाउन बाय 21k. एडजस्टमेंट पॉइंट्स जैसे मैं एडजस्टमेंट करूंगा, लाइक आई विल कीप यू गाइस पोस्टेड. ऑलराइट गाइस, द टाइम इज 12:27 एंड वी हैव कंप्लीटली कम आउट ऑफ द पोजीशंस बिकॉज दो रीजन था. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज रिलायंस में काफी बड़ा ब्रेकआउट मिल गया. सो रिलायंस इज नाउ ट्रेडिंग अबाउट 2000 लेवल्स. तो रिलायंस में जो ब्रेकआउट था, क्लियरली पूरा रेंज को ब्रेक देके क्लियरली रेंज के बाहर एक अच्छा तरफ का आपको अपमूव दिखा दिया. एंड द कॉल साइड आईवीज वर प्रीटी मच स्पाइकिंग. आई केम आउट ऑफ द स्ट्रैडल एट 71 points. And now the straddle itself is worth somewhere around 45 plus 27. It's now worth almost 73 points, but at some point of time this straddle was worth somewhere around 76-77 points. मतलब एक 6-7 points का loss दे रहा था. In the first 10-15 minutes itself we had a good amount of loss. Market एकदम एक up move दिखाया and then that complete up move was negated and then again a second round of up move, right? बट अगर आप देखते हैं, इफ यू लुक एट अ ब्रॉडर पर्सपेक्टिव, अगर ब्रॉडर पर्सपेक्टिव में अगर आप देखते हैं, डेफिनेटली दिस इज अ वेरी लेस वोलेटाइल मार्केट, करेक्ट? तो पूरे दिन में कितना 15,150 एंड 15,050, तो 100 पॉइंट के रेंज में पूरा दिन पड़ा है. एंड वी हैव सीन मार्केट्स विच यूज्ड टू मूव लाइक 200-250 पॉइंट्स. एक दो हफ्ते पहले ही 200 पॉइंट इधर 200 पॉइंट उधर मूव कर रहे थे. बट even with this kind of move, the MTM swings are a bit harsh. That is because the premiums are very little, the premiums are very cheap, and the premiums are not at all attractive to trade directionally. So I'm even thinking to switch to positional from now on, but I'll be looking at the markets for the first 1 or 2 weeks of June. पहले जून में क्या होता है? So from 1st of June, yeah, the 75% of the margin, peak margin restrictions will be rolled out. So अभी 20 lakhs के साथ मैं जितना lots खरीद सकता हूँ, probably I'll be only able to buy like 60% of the lots. So अगर मैं 3000 quantity अब trade कर सकता हूँ with hedges, तो I'll be able to only trade like 1800 or maximum 2100 quantity. So with that, so let's see, like if the premiums also don't pick up, and it's going to be difficult for us to trade intraday. So intraday will have lesser and lesser incentive, and we might look at switching to positional. So all that said and done, we will be closing the day with 16k loss, which is slightly less than 1%, but more than happy to take this loss, so no problems at all. So tomorrow is the expiry, tomorrow is Thursday, so I'll see you guys tomorrow.